Hey guys, okay, so today I'm going to bring you behind the scenes. My friend here, he's a pastry chef working at the Bravery Cafe. So this is the cafe. So I'm going to bring you behind the scenes. He's going to prepare a few cakes and puff, I think. And we're going to do a bit of a photo shoot. And I hope you'll enjoy this one. The entrance is closed today. Right, it's a very beautiful place. Two-story cafe with a prayer room, and it's a Muslim owned, so my Muslim friends can come here and eat. You can also do your prayers while you're waiting for food and stuff. Okay guys, so this is the pastry kitchen, and my friend here is preparing some of his ingredients for the shoot later on. Okay Jack, so what are we going to shoot first?
Okay, so I'm going to make the peanut butter and hazelnut praline tart. Okay, this is the tart shell that has with the filling inside.
Nice.
So this is the final topping, the whipping cream with
Right, so he's going to prepare the whipping cream, and while he's doing that, I'm going to prepare my camera, and I'm going to put my phone on one side, and then you watch us in action. So he's going to do his decor and stuff, and I'm going to take photos of him. Okay guys, so I'm going to use, today I'm going to use both of my Fujifilm camera. And the first one is a Viltrox 56mm f1.4, and the other camera is gonna be the Fujifilm camera X-T30 for both. This one I'm gonna use my 23mm f2, so we'll get a few wide shots and also some detailed shots of the process. And yep, let's get into it. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna grab a few shots of the pastries in their dining area. Right, so the cakes are already there. See, it's very beautiful. Very nice setting. Rotan chairs. Rotan, not rotten, rotan. Okay, so I'm gonna use my flash to help with the lighting a bit, and yeah,